Is 7-Eleven the best app? When you think of 7-Eleven, you probably think of quick snacks, Slurpees, and that late night stop for a coffee or hot dog. But in 2026, 7-Eleven isn't just a convenience store anymore, it's a full digital experience. And the 7-Eleven mobile app is right at the center of it. The app promises to make your everyday runs smoother, faster, and even cheaper. Order ahead, earn rewards, and skip the checkout line sounds perfect, right? But is the app actually as convenient as it claims? Let's find out. First things first, the setup is simple. You can download the app on iOS or Android, sign up in less than 2 minutes, and immediately start earning points. The design feels clean and intuitive, with tabs for rewards, offers, fuel, and ordering. Once you log in, the rewards program is front and center. For every dollar you spend, you earn points that can be redeemed for snacks, drinks, or even gas discounts. It's fast, easy, and the rewards don't expire as quickly as with other apps. Speaking of gas, this is one of the biggest advantages. Through the app, you can find 7-Eleven fuel stations, check live prices, and even pay right from your phone. You just pull up to the pump, select your location in the app, and start fueling. No wallet, no card swipe, no hassle. Then there's mobile checkout, a feature that makes shopping even faster. Just scan your items with your phone, pay in the app, and walk out. No lines, no waiting. It's ideal for people who are always in a rush, and it's available in more stores every month. When it comes to ordering ahead, the app lets you pick up food, coffee, or drinks ready to go. Whether it's a morning coffee or an evening snack, you can schedule it and grab it on your way. The order accuracy is solid, and most pickups are ready within 5 to 10 minutes. Now, let's talk about special offers, because this is where the app really shines. Every week, there are new discounts on drinks, candy, and hot foods. Sometimes you get buy one get one free deals or limited time coupons exclusive to app users. And if you're a regular at 7-Eleven, these savings add up fast. The app also includes a fuel loyalty feature. For every gallon you buy, you earn points and get access to price perks. Depending on your location, you can save anywhere between 5 and 10 cents per gallon. Over time, that's real money saved. Now, no app is perfect. Some users report occasional bugs, like the app not recognizing their location or freezing during peak hours. But 7-Eleven has been actively improving performance, rolling out smoother updates and faster response times. Another plus is security. The app supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and encrypted card storage. You can even use Face ID or fingerprint unlock for extra safety. That's a nice touch, especially when you're paying on the go. One underrated feature is the delivery option. You can order snacks, drinks, or even household essentials and have them delivered straight to your door, often within 30 minutes. For people who love convenience, that's a game changer. So, after testing it for a while, is the 7-Eleven app really the best one out there? It depends on what you want. If you're looking for a quick, reliable way to earn rewards, pay for gas, and grab snacks without waiting in line, it's absolutely worth it. The app captures what 7-Eleven has always stood for: convenience. It takes the classic grab-and-go experience and makes it digital, smarter, and more rewarding. Sure, there are still small bugs to iron out, but overall, it's one of the most practical and useful convenience store apps available right now. So, if you're someone who stops by 7-Eleven often or just loves saving a few bucks, the app is definitely worth downloading. And if this review helped you decide, don't forget to share it or leave a comment. Stay curious, stay connected, and as always, make every stop a smart one.